So I just got my copies of the CBT Flip Chart. Let's check this out. Oh, it's nice and sturdy. That explains why the box was so heavy. And wow, it looks really nice. It's got a nice stand. So you can stand it up in session. One side faces the client, one side faces you. And let's check out the action. It's spiral bound. Oh, it's really nice and smooth. Honestly, it's a relief. We knew that the production value was going to be really important for this because it's so interactive. So it had to be really high quality. Looks like they did a great job. And let's check out, oh wow, it's so nice. Let's check out the dry erase feature. So there are pages where you can fill in things with the client. Let's see, activating event. Let's say argument with partner. You can write that in there, and then you can reuse this. You can erase it. Oh, nice. Erases very cleanly. Fantastic. So this is, so the subtitle says an evidence-based psychoeducational tool for anxiety, depression, stress, insomnia, PTSD, and more. So check out the description below for a link to where you can get this and more information. And I hope you find it really useful.